We can't exclude people.
No, you can. It's fine, yeah. I'll find some crackers. Okay. Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a whole bunch of updates for you. We've also got an exciting giveaway, a really good giveaway, because finally...
we reached 200,000 subscribers.
You could do the X Factor announcements. So stick around and we'll give you a few updates as well. But make sure you stick around later on in the video because we're definitely going to give you a chance of winning a whole bunch of prizes. I could work on TV.
Bruce Forsyth.
So as many of you will know, for the past year, over a year, because it's taken us a while, we've been building the cabin, which is our home for now, before we start the big build next year. And Speedy were really kind to get involved in that, and they sponsored all of that project series through the whole duration of the build. And then that's carried on because they love
working with us.
They love the channel so much. They
like
carried on,
working with
and as you've seen, they've become the main sponsor on our channel. That means we can get on, make more content. We can
try out a lot more of their tools.
Try more gear, especially as we go into the big build, because as soon as we start over there, everything ramps up.
Yeah, we might need a few more channel sponsors.
But before we do the giveaway, it's time to give you an update and some exciting upcoming news. So we've got our list because we're very forgetful.
So first things first, we're going to be doing a Patreon weekend, aren't we?
No, the exciting news is we've got bacon coming.
Well, that's also exciting, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do hedges first. So for patrons especially, we will be doing a newsletter going out to them. But we're going to do a farm weekend end of November, just when it's nice and warm, toasty.
We might get some winter sun or autumn sun because we're hoping for, at least blue skies.
Yeah, and it's not just pure luxury. There's 500 metres of hedging to plant and about 100 trees. So it might be that spills over into a couple of weekends. However, that date will be going out soon. So if you want to be involved in that, if you head over to Patreon, you'll be able to pick up on all the info there. So that'll be end of November. We've carried on some work inside the cabin. A lot of it we haven't been filming because it's just been in and out. But we have now finished the bathroom, and that included a brand new shower install. We were working with Myra Showers on that. So that video...
it's going out Sunday.
It's going out on Sunday.
So
and it's nice to have a shower.
Pork,
what else
bacon.
is on there?
Bacon! In a few weeks, we will be doing our next pork drop. Farm shop.
You'll be able to bring home the bacon.
So pigs and blankets is actually the term I'd quite like to use. Because sausages and bacon, isn't it? And gammon joints is the next one. And we'll let you know in a newsletter when that is alive on the website. But we're looking 2-3 weeks probably, roughly.
Yeah, no, it'll be 2 weeks before it's back from the butchers. So, yeah.
So that will be good if you want
and the farm shop is always online. But if you want to hold on and do it when all the bacon products get added, then you can order there. And huge thank you to everyone who's ordered, because last week we sent out a whole host of orders. We had people coming to pick up as well. So
we were a little bit nervous too, because it's the first time using this company, like this
sending it
installation and all the rest of it. So we were, but we sent a few test packages to your parents, didn't we, and stuff to make sure. So
it went all far and wide. It was quite interesting. We had half a pig going up north somewhere, and
across the other side of London.
Yeah,
our pigs getting around.
Pigs and lambs, and goat nearly sold out, didn't it?
Yeah, there's only one bit of diced goat left.
Right, we're going to have to change because I'm getting sunburnt there, and nobody likes a September sunburn.
I loved it.
It's giveaway time, and sorry, we're probably about 210,000 subscribers now, so it's a little bit late.
But we wanted to get a really good... We wanted to get a really good giveaway ready for you. So Speedy have been so generous, and they've offered us £500 worth of free tool hire as vouchers.
And that gets you quite a long way, doesn't it?
Yeah, like you've worked out like 2 weeks on a digger.
Yeah, something like that.
Like we had a digger in our last house.
We used to hire them out for a day or two.
And it crazy
you get
how
so much done.
In fact, Tim was like, "Well, what can I do next? What can I do next?"
Yeah, you can make the most of that. So it's £500 to spend on any of the tools, and more importantly, going forwards, we're always going to be able to offer everyone who subscribes to the channel 20% off any tool hire in the country, delivery and everything. So that's really exciting. I will find out all the terms and conditions, and I'll put the code down in the description. To start with, I think they're going to trial it for the next month or two. It's something we were really keen to do, because anytime we work with a sponsor, we always try and make sure there's something in it for you guys. So I think it was more of a technical website thing, how it's all priced, but they've now managed to do it. So that code will always be available, and we'll put it down there for you, and you can use that yourselves. I think there's a depot in just about every town and city in the country, so you should be good to go. Anyway, the giveaway, what have they got to do?
We want to know what they would hire from Speedy. Is that right?
I think so. Or what you're hiring,
Or your
and what
next
you're doing.
project.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be both.
You
There's
don't
no
have to
pressure.
be nutters like us doing something huge and stupid like building
You
a
could
house.
be laying a patio in your back garden.
Yeah,
or
and I think
taking out a hedge.
they do quite a lot of like hedge trimmers and maintenance stuff as well, or even tools for inside the house. So
Or that nitty-gritty job.
yeah,
That would be really good to know. What is that nitty-gritty job that is like
you can't do without.
your husband or wife?
At
Oh
all,
yeah,
maybe.
maybe not. Maybe just you
We
need
should have
to
thought
do
this
it.
through before doing the giveaway. Just let us know what you're going to hire and what you need it
To be
for.
fair, if you comment, we're probably going to
And we'll pick it from random like normal. So
Yeah.
we'll number everyone off, and then Joe will do the random number
Yeah.
generator.
And it's got to be on YouTube, right?
This is a YouTube giveaway.
Yeah. So we'll let you know on Instagram, but it will be just a link to this video for you to comment on this video.
Yeah, well, they're already here.
I know, but I'm just saying in case they go back to Instagram.
Yeah,
or
well, we
Facebook
could
and
announce
then think,
the
"Oh,
winner
no, I
over on
wanna do
Instagram
both."
as well.
Oh, we'll also get really, really, really draw-dropping stuff here. Some DIY merch or
Yeah, yeah.
restoration couple merch.
We'll throw in some
Hat,
mugs.
a mug. Maybe a bit of meat if you're lucky.
Yeah, you can't be a vegetarian to enter.
Oh, no.
You can.
We can't exclude people.
No, you can. It's fine, yeah. I'll find some crackers. Okay.
Carrots growing in the allotment.
We do a little veggie box. Right, let's finish with some exciting news on what's coming up in the next couple of months.
We have got the driveway.
The driveway, we've kind of messed around with the digger up there.
So much that it's going to be a mudslide.
We now need to make a bit of amends there. We're going to do a bit of a retaining wall. Haven't decided what yet. We've obviously got all these old oak sleepers or creosoted old hardwood sleepers here anyway. We could use those. We could get something else. So I think there's going to be an oak sleeper build, which if anyone's been watching the channel for a while, we kind of built this channel on doing oak sleepers and patios and raised beds. And
Tim is a wood hoarder. I think it'd be a really nice project to see all the different types of wood used up.
what, everything.
Yeah. All those little bits, random sizes.
Shabby chic wall.
Oh, it'd be really
Yeah, I'm not sure it'll hold up.
everyone's-
It needs to be quite chunky. It's quite a lot of soil.
You've got chunky wood too that you've held on to, Tim.
All right. Anyway, so that is going to come up. We've also got a whole big load of fencing projects coming on, which will probably be on the main farm channel. Sorry, on the DIY farm channel. But we've just had to place a painful amount of money spent on an order this week. We're actually changing to hardwood posts, which it sounds excessive, but what that means is we don't have to use creosote posts. We're going to be fencing along the water's edge, and I just want things to last, so we're kind of buy once, cry once, and we're just going to get it done. So all of that will be happening, hopefully, this side of Christmas.
Hopefully. We're
There
also
is
going to be
something
finishing the cabin. Yes. Outside and inside.
Yeah. I mean, if
I
you've
want it to
seen the
look
last
beautiful
video,
for Christmas.
you'll now know that the cabin looks finished from most angles. Look, I mean, I can pan round. Look, the dog's on it looks kind of okay.
The other side's just
Unfortunately, the side that no one sees, apart from one neighbour as they drive past,
blue. It's blue.
yeah,
But
it's still a
more
membrane, so I've got to
importantly,
spend a
it's
week
not safe, is it?
cladding.
Like it's not weatherproof.
No, so we need to
So
get on and do
that's-
that.
And then we need to finish all those 101 jobs inside.
Yeah.
To make it look tip top, because we're not going to have it that we only end up like every other one of our projects that we end up finishing and
In
making
the
it look
last month.
beautiful in the last month for the people who we sell it to. It's not going to be us.
Okay, and two more projects I can think of, which are still rattling around in the back of my mind. So the
Re-roofing.
bridge.
Oh yeah.
Ideally, want to get a bridge done, but it can wait until the spring
Yeah, it might have
because
to.
we're not doing anything the other side. But we're going to build it. The decision now is to build it out on the meadow, and then lift it in with a telehandler and just sit it in, rather than me like clambering back and forth over the banks and stuff. So we're going to build it strong enough to take all the livestock, a quad bike, people, but not big vehicles. And I think that's fine. That's a good compromise.
Okay.
And finally, the next big project, which has to happen pretty soon, is we're going to re-roof the barn. Not that barn, but
Tiny
the little.
barn.
Well, yeah.
It's sizable.
It's,
But it's not
the old cow
compared to the
shed.
other thing.
The roof had fallen in a few years back, and we just need to put a roof back on it. So we've got somewhere nice and dry to tuck away the goats. And that really needs to happen in the next month. Mm-hmm. We might have to hire some stuff for that ourselves, actually, to get all those beams up. Maybe they'll lend us a telehandler.
And I'm still trying to use up courgettes.
Has anyone else got a courgette curse going on in their garden? It's just like a glut of.
Every time I go
if
to
you
my
have,
sister,
get pigs.
I take her a courgette.
But
and
she's got
then
them.
she gives me one back.
Yeah.
We're just trying to get rid of them any which way we can.
Okay, there we go. So if you want to enter, make sure you comment down below. So we're going for what you need and what you're going to use it for. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And we will give it a week. Week long enough?
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll announce it in a week.
Next Friday. Next Thursday.
Sunday,
Okay.
the Sunday evening video.
Yeah.
We've also got a whole bunch of videos that I've already filmed, already edited. So next week is going to be action-packed as well.
Whoop, whoop.
I can't remember what they are. Oh, tractor. Yeah, some good stuff on the tractor coming up.
Right.
Anyway, we'll leave it there.
Remember, if you can, buy some meat.
Do it yourself.
We'll see you next time.
Buy some meat. All right, Del boy.
Yeah.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news, but also a bit of a giveaway. Love a giveaway time because
We reached 2,000 subscribers.
we did.
200,000 subscribers. Did I just say 2,000?
Yeah. Oh, that was really
See you on
good.
the channel. Try again.